Hey, welcome back. This is one of those things that I always forget how to do, and I brought in a rigged up model from MakeHuman, and I want him to just have vertices and no materials. And this guy has all kinds of problems. So we're gonna take the rig apart first of all. I've renamed mine here. Inside of the armature, the rig is the actual mesh, and I want to disconnect those. So to start with, I'm going to just select and shift select all of them up here. I'll come over on viewport, right click, go to parent, and then clear parent, but keep the transformation. So that means like my pose here will stay in that pose. And now you can see that the mesh is disconnected. So in other words, it's on its own up there. I'm going to do the same thing for the eyes because his eyes are separate. Parent, clear parent with transform. And now the eyes are on their own too. But if I try to now delete the rig, you can see that he flops over. So let's fix that. It's pretty simple. Just go to the meshes, go to the modifiers, and then apply. Let's do the same thing for the eyes, and now we can delete the rig, hopefully with no problems there. Now let's take care of the materials. This one I never remember how to do. So let's see if we go into our data, go down here to geometry data, and we can clear custom split normals. And that's okay there. But also, if you come in, sometimes you'll get this blue, and you will right click and you're looking for clear sharp, and sometimes it doesn't work right away. So I'll just show you what I had to do. I couldn't even find that menu before. So I'm in edit mode. I'm going to grab a line segment, and I'm just going to click on one of those segments, right click, and clear sharp, and then I'm going to hit A to select all of them, and then clear sharp. And there we go. So now you have your mesh separated from your armature, and you get rid of those weird like gradients and all that stuff. I don't know what that's all about, but it's just kind of an annoying thing when you're trying to work on a model. These are for 3D print, so I wanted a real simplified geometry. Hopefully this helps you out in your project.